In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Automation, Easy 2026 Guide. If you've ever felt bogged down by repetitive admin, this feature is going to be a game changer. Automation lets you offload the small, recurring tasks so you can focus on the work that actually moves projects forward. It follows a simple if-then logic and can be as light touch or as sophisticated as your workflow demands. Here's the foundation you'll use every time. Triggers start the chain. They answer the when this happens part. Conditions are optional filters that narrow down exactly when a rule should run. They're perfect for adding precision and, depending on your plan, may unlock more advanced control. Actions are the then do this steps, the tangible outcomes like setting a status, assigning a task, or updating a custom field. With these three pieces, you can build anything from tiny time savers to robust, multi-step processes. Let's put this into practice directly in the interface. In your ClickUp workspace, look toward the top of the screen for the lightning bolt icon. That's the automation hub where all your rules live. Hover over it, then click Automate to open your automation controls. We'll build our first rule from scratch so you can see the full flow end to end. Click Create Automation. You'll see categories that organize common use cases. Choose Project Management to browse templates designed for day-to-day task operations. From there, select the option that streamlines task management by auto-setting key custom fields at task creation, a template that's especially popular if you collect work through forms. This is a great starting point because it demonstrates how a trigger tied to task creation can instantly shape the data your team relies on. Inside the editor, let's set up the details. You can automatically route ownership the moment a task appears. Click Assignee and choose who should take point by default. This is a practical way to remove handoffs and make sure new requests never sit unclaimed. Next, define urgency. Click Priority, then select a priority and choose High. You can tailor this to your team's conventions, but setting a clear default helps create consistent triage. Now add context. Click Enter Description and write a short but useful note. What success looks like, where assets live, or any first steps you expect. A sentence or two here dramatically reduces back and forth and helps teammates get moving right away. When those fields look good, click Create to save the rule. Before we move on, take a second to verify the trigger. Click Trigger to review that it's set to run when a task is created. That's the heart of this template and ensures everything fires at the right moment. With that, your first automation is complete, and you've already eliminated a handful of clicks on every new task. Now let's explore the other pieces you'll use often. Click Condition to see how you can narrow execution. For example, you might only want this rule to run for tasks created in a specific list, or when a certain custom field has a value. Conditions add precision without complicating your process, and on higher tier plans, you'll find even more ways to fine-tune. Click Action to review the available outcomes. You'll notice that custom fields, assignees, and priority are already set from the template we chose. Let's reinforce the concept with a second simple rule. Click Add Automation to start a new one. This time, we'll automatically place new tasks into the correct status. Click Select a status, then choose To Do to align with a clean intake workflow. Next, specify the outcome type by clicking Change Status. With this in place, every new task lands in the right column without manual sorting. While we're here, note that you can also create tasks through automations, useful for recurring checklists or follow-ups triggered by key events. But we'll keep this example focused. Click Create to save the second rule. Once your rules are live, it's important to monitor how they're performing. Click Usage to see at a glance how many times your automations have run and keep an eye on any plan limits. Then click Audit Log to review a detailed timeline of what fired, when it fired, and why. The audit trail is your best friend when troubleshooting unexpected behavior. If a rule didn't run, you can quickly spot whether the trigger didn't match, a condition filtered it out, or an action conflicted with another rule. At this point, you've learned the core building blocks, created a rule that enriches tasks the moment they're created, added a second rule to standardize status, and seen where to review usage and logs. This is the essence of ClickUp Automation. Small, thoughtful rules that remove friction at the exact points where your team spends time clicking, updating, and organizing. Start with the basics you know you do every day. Assigning new tasks, setting priority, adding a helpful description, and placing work into the right status. As your confidence grows, layer in conditions to target specific lists, tags, or custom field values, and expand actions to cover more of your routine steps. There's a lot more you can accomplish with automations, from coordinating cross-team handoffs to populating templates for recurring processes, and we'll dig into those in future walkthroughs. For now, you've got a reliable foundation to build on, and the tools to verify everything is working as expected. If this guide helped, consider subscribing so you don't miss the deeper dives and new updates as they roll out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!